I don't need to look. I don't need y'all to talk. I don't want to see those splits. The world. This ain't your show. This is not your show. 2, 3. Everybody, everybody, rock your body. Everybody, everybody, rock your body now. Yeah. Jesus coming back. You better change your life and get your life together. He's coming back whether it's good or snowy weather. Yeah, he wants your soul. He'll make you whole. Forget what them people said. The Bible already told. Is he the one, this Christ? Yeah, yeah, the one with righteousness. Yeah. Is he the lily of the valley? Is he the bright and morning star? He can save you where you are. Everybody, yeah. Y'all put your hands together. So my daughter told me to do another song tonight. You said do another one, daughter? My daughter said do another song. I'm going to do another song tonight.
Daddy, we're cooking.
And tonight, I want to take this time to get, as my children jump into my show, I want to take some time tonight just to introduce you and everybody to Cooking with Judo. Let's go. It's here. It's
I'm
here.
so not ready for all this.
Cooking with Judo. Oh my God.
Energy.
Shout out to Lil Man. Welcome everybody to the first episode of Cooking with G-Dub. Yes, and that's me, G-Dub, daddy of 5, husband of 1.
Better be one.
And this is the first episode, guys, and I'm so elated to be able to share with you some of what we do in the Dove household and how G-Dove get down in the kitchen. Guys, I have some special guests with me today, and I just want to introduce to you probably one of the greatest, legendary.
What?
I'm talking about legendary assistant cooks. I mean, guys, I'm pretty sure that you've heard of Emerald Ragassi.
Really?
I'm pretty sure you heard of, what's my girl name on the Food Network? Martha Stewart.
Martha Stewart, yeah.
Now, I know y'all know about Martha Stewart, but y'all haven't heard about this Martha. This is the real Martha. The one and only Mrs. Martha Dove. Round of applause, everybody. Also want to give a shout out to my studio audience. Can you put your hands together in the crowd? Make some noise out there. Woo! Get some moves. Now, let me ask you one question. Are you ready to cook?
Yes!
No, I said, are you ready to cook?
Yes!
One more time. I said, are you really ready to cook? Hold on. Wait.
I have a question.
Shut. See, that's one thing about it. See, I'm trying to do my thing, get my show going. I felt the energy going, and then she just be busting right in, tearing my mess up. What's your question, man?
Are you ready to eat?
Yeah!
We know you are ready to eat.
He does the cooking. I do a lot of the eating.
Yeah.
I mean, I cook too, but Gorden can just really throw down. So there's no need, as my kids are talking, there's no need for me to really try like that.
I have a wonderful live studio audience. I have Martha Dove with me, and I have you guys tuned in, and I'm so excited to have you guys tuned in to what we're about to do. We're about to get down, and I have a very, very, very special recipe. Shout out to Olivia Moore, my grandmother.
Yes, she
who
could really
taught
cook.
me how to move around in the kitchen. But I have a very, very, very special recipe for you guys today, and it's something that we all love to eat. Can I get my southern folk to say chicken wings?
Chicken wings.
Wait a minute. Can I get my audience to say chicken wings?
Chicken wings.
Y'all, so wait a minute. Y'all act like y'all from the suburbs. Y'all act like, see, y'all from the city. Y'all too fancy for me. Can I get my audience to say, give me a big North Carolina chicken wings? We're about to do some chicken wings, guys, and we're about to do it in a very, very, very special way today. So if you're looking for healthy chicken wings, not greasy, messy, crazy, artery clogging chicken wings, I'm about to give you a chicken wing recipe. It doesn't take long, and it is absolutely delicious. It's gonna be delicious. So go ahead, get your husband, get your sons, get your children, get your uncle, hide your wife, hide your kids, get everybody, gather them around, get your notebooks, guys. I'm about to give you an easy, delicious, super easy. Anybody can make it. Chicken wing dinner. Let's go. Let's get it. Everybody put your hands together. Woo! All right, guys, so here we are. I'm about to show you the ingredients that you need to make the best wings that you've had in your life. These wings are going to be made in the air fryer, and they're only going to take 25 minutes. Are you ready for the ingredients? All right, here they go. First ingredient, simple, Parmesan cheese. Next ingredient, red pepper, cayenne pepper. Okay, next ingredient, white pepper. Next ingredient, I love this stuff. This is going to be the complete seasoning. And the last ingredient is going to be onion powder. And let me not forget, a little bit of Pam. Just pop right off there. These ingredients, you can actually purchase them from your local supermarket, whether it be Food Line, Farm Fresh, Kroger, Whole Foods, all these things are there, okay? All right, let's get ready to cook. So what you want to do is you want to get you a bowl. Get you a nice bowl. Go get you a bowl in your house, maybe some Tupperware. I went to the Dollar Tree and I got this. Get you a nice bowl. Okay, open it up. You want to get your Parmesan. Now, there's not going to be any specific measurements here. I'm going off a feel here. All right, so you want to take your Parmesan. You want to pour probably about the whole bottle in. All right. I had about a half a bottle of this Parmesan, this large bottle of Parmesan left, okay? Now you want to come in and you want to take your all seasoning. Take your complete all seasoning. All right. You want to coat the top of the Parmesan with the all seasoning. Really well. Coat it. All right. Next thing you want to do is you want to come in and you want to take your hot pepper, your cayenne pepper. Take your cayenne pepper. You want to sprinkle the top of it? Not much. You can put as much as you like in. Just depends on what type of spiciness, what type of heat you like. Next thing you want to do is you want to take your white pepper. Sprinkle your white pepper in there. Now I'm about to sneeze. After you put your white pepper in, you want to turn around and you want to go ahead and put a little bit of onion powder in. Okay? We have all the ingredients together. Okay? Let's count it. Parmesan, first ingredient. Onion pepper, 2. White pepper, 3. Cayenne pepper, 4. All seasoning, 5. Now what we want to do is we want to take a top. We want to place it over our top. Okay? Then we want to take it. We want to shake it up really, really, really good. Shake it up. Shake it up really, really good. Now this right here is going to act as a bit of a batter. I'm not going to be doing flour, but I want to give this chicken a bit of a breader. I want to make it feel like a breader. And the Parmesan cheese actually acts as like a flour base. It actually acts as a breader for this particular chicken that we're going to be making today, okay? Shake it up real, real good. When you finish shaking it up, this is what you should have. right, guys. So now that we have these special ingredients all ready to go, all right, we're gonna take this, we'll cover it up, we're prepared, we'll put it to the side. Today I'm gonna be using my Yedi air fryer, which Yedi is absolutely dope. I'm gonna be using my Yedi air fryer. You can use any air fryer that you have. Take these same wings and you can put them in any type of marinade that you want. You can do many different things, you know, to kind of give it that extra flavor. But now we're down to the home run, and this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take these wings. I like to take about 2 or 3, grab them. Roll them around real good. Don't need any egg or anything. Make sure you get them in that flavoring real good. Cover them real good. I like to take these particular wings. I like to put them on the flat side. Okay? Flat side. I got about 11 in right now. Of course, you saw me hit it with the pan. And now I'm gonna give you how long you need to put it in there. So you need to put it into your air fryer. You need to put it in for 25 minutes. Okay, 25 minutes at 360 degrees. My air fryer actually has a actual temperature gauge, so I can set temperature. So if you have that, you want to do 25 minutes. 25 minutes. 360 degrees. All right, here we go, and let's get this party started. Right at about the 12-minute mark, you want to come and you want to flip your wings over. And then you want to cook it all the way down to probably about 2 minutes after you flip them over. And then after you flip them over, that last 2 minutes, flip them back and let them cook back on the other side for 2 minutes. All right? And you're going to have the best wings of your life. I can't wait for you to see them. Let's go! Mama thinks I got everything's breaded. I actually kind of did I did a honey mustard sauce and a barbecue sauce. And I have just the regular plain ones.
They look pretty yummy, so I think I want to try the barbecue.
Okay, just grab one of those barbecue.
Mmm. It's good, Daddy.
It's good.
What's up?
Good stuff. Let's see what we got going on.
Now for the honey mustard. Finger licking good. Mmm. I really like the honey mustard. Mmm. Good combo. Mmm. You have got to taste these. Maybe you should do like a restaurant. What do you think?
Mmm. I would love to.
Let's try the plain. Have some in my teeth. Plain are good too. Very good. Alright guys, we hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you can't hear my husband smacking. I hope you got a lot of good tips and tricks as to how to spice it up in the kitchen and how to have some fried chicken without all the extra oils and not as much of that yucky stuff. Although it has the fried texture, still is 70% less calories than if you were to dip it in oil. So it's a lot healthier than the alternative, but it's still very good.
God, you playing with your head.
Right, they're good. Hope that you enjoyed this video. Bye.